Welcome to 2024, where 3D printing is more than just a hobby. It's a profitable business opportunity. If you own a 3D printer or are considering buying one, you've likely thought, how can I make money with this? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, this detailed video will walk you through everything you need to know about building a successful 3D printing business from scratch. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to choose the right printer, find profitable products to 3D print and sell, advertise your products to attract sales, build a brand and scale your business, navigate legal requirements, and manage your printer for consistent success. So let's dive into the world of 3D printing and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. Step 1. Choosing the right printer. When starting a 3D printing business, choosing the right 3D printer is crucial. The type of printer you invest in will determine not only the quality of your products, but also your efficiency, scalability, and overall profitability. Fused deposition modeling is the most common and accessible type of 3D printing technology. FDM printers work by extruding heated filament through a nozzle, building up layers to create a 3D object. They are widely popular because of their affordability, ease of use, and versatility. Here's why FDM printers might be your best bet. Step 2. Choose the right product. The key to success. The foundation of any successful 3D printing business is the product. What you choose to print and sell matters a lot. In 2024, the market is full of opportunities, but you need a unique and useful product to stand out. If your goal is to maximize profits, it's essential to find products that require minimal post-processing. Why? Because time is money. Every minute you spend sanding, painting, or assembling a product is a minute you're not printing new items. For example, a simple, small item that can be printed in batches without support material is ideal. This allows you to move the product straight from the print bed to packaging, reducing both handling time and shipping costs. Think along the lines of customizable desk plaques with personalized text or designs, functional household items that solve everyday problems, cosplay accessories, or custom phone cases that allow for user personalization. The trick is to make your product either useful, unique, or ideally both. You don't want to be caught selling generic 3D printed items like dragons or fidget spinners that are available everywhere. Instead, focus on something that makes your product stand out. A good example is a customizable desk plaque that has sold over 50,000 units on Etsy. When pricing your product, keep in mind that 3D printed items won't always have the polished look of mass-manufactured products, but that doesn't mean you can't justify a higher price tag with a well-thought-out design. Step 3. Avoid common mistakes. Don't copy designs. This brings us to an important legal note. Avoid selling designs that aren't yours. Selling products based on someone else's design without permission is not only unethical, but can also land you in legal trouble. Instead, create your designs or collaborate with designers who give you permission to use their work. Selling something unique has multiple advantages: less competition, the ability to justify a higher price, and the personal satisfaction of seeing your original designs enjoyed by customers. Consider focusing on prints that customers can finish at home, like unpainted figurines or model kits, custom modifications for gadgets like drone attachments or camera mounts, accessories for popular consumer electronics, think phone cases, laptop stands, or PlayStation covers. Step 4. Advertising and sales. Reaching your target audience. No matter how amazing your product is, you won't make sales if no one knows about it. This is where advertising comes into play. There are multiple platforms available to help you reach customers, but your approach will depend on how much control you want over your sales channels and how much time you're willing to invest. Etsy, the beginner's friend. For beginners, Etsy is an excellent platform to start. It's a well-established marketplace with a built-in audience of customers looking for unique, handcrafted, and customizable items. Etsy also offers its own advertising system, which can be a great way to get your products in front of potential buyers. However, there are downsides. Etsy takes a significant cut from each sale, sometimes over 17.5%, and their ads work on a pay-per-click model. This means you could be spending money on ads without making a sale. For example, a product priced at $5.50 might only net you $2 in profit after all fees. So even a few ad clicks without purchases can wipe out your earnings. To mitigate this, aim to sell higher value items with a unique selling proposition, USP, which can help you justify a higher price and cover the costs of advertising. A product like a 3D printed Bluetooth speaker kit could be perfect. It's unique, has a higher price point, and appeals to tech enthusiasts. Building your brand. Going beyond Etsy. Once you're ready to scale your business, building your own own website becomes a more sustainable and profitable option. With your own site, you have complete control over your brand, your pricing, and your customer experience. Platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify can help you set up an online store and integrate payment processing options like PayPal. With your website in place, you can explore Facebook ads and Google ads, which tend to be more cost-effective than Etsy ads, and allow for more targeted advertising. You can promote your products to a specific audience based on demographics, interests, or even past online behavior. For example, a $15 Facebook ad campaign spread over a week could drive 100 potential customers to your site, resulting in several sales and valuable insights for future campaigns. If the idea of building a website feels overwhelming, platforms like Wix or Squarespace make the process simple and user-friendly. But if you're looking for more customization, WordPress with plugins like Elementor allows for complete control over your design. Step 5. Managing your 3D printer. Consistency is key. A major factor in your business's success will be the reliability of your 3D printer. Consistency in print quality is crucial for keeping customers happy and maintaining a good seller profile. Regular maintenance will save you headaches down the road. Here's what you should do. Replace your nozzle every 3 to 6 months or as soon as you notice wear. A worn nozzle will result in poor print quality and failed prints. Ensure your build plate is level. An uneven plate will cause prints to come unstuck midway, wasting both material and time. Many newer printers, like the CR10 Max Pro, come with auto-leveling systems, but older models will require manual leveling. Upgrade your print surface. Using sandpaper textured print surfaces combined with flexible magnetic plates will make it easier to remove prints and reduce warping. This can significantly improve your batch production process. Maintain a stable print environment. Keep your printer in an area where the temperature is stable, free from drafts, to prevent warping during the printing process. By staying on top of maintenance, you'll avoid costly mistakes, long lead times, and potential frustration that can hurt your profit margins. A well-maintained printer can work non-stop, ensuring a steady flow of products to sell. Step 6. Legal considerations. Staying on the right side of the law. Selling products online isn't just about design and advertising. You also need to ensure you're complying with the law. For those of you in the UK or EU, you'll need to be familiar with product conformity requirements. This involves ensuring that your products meet relevant safety standards and directives, allowing you to attach a CE or UKCA mark to your items. While this may sound intimidating, it's a necessary step to protect yourself and your customers. You don't want to run into legal issues down the road that could cost you time, money, or even your business. If you're unsure where to start, you can find guides and tutorials online to walk you through the process of self-certification. For those in the United States, different regulations apply, so make sure you research the necessary legal requirements in your area. Step 7. Expanding your product line. Scaling your business. Once you've found success with your initial products, it's time to think about scaling. Expanding your product line can help you reach new customers and increase your revenue streams. Consider diversifying your offerings with related products or accessories that complement your current line. For example, if you're selling custom phone cases, you might branch out into tablet covers, laptop stands, or gaming console accessories. Alternatively, you could explore digital products, such as selling 3D models or downloadable plans for customers to print at home. Step 8. Customer engagement. The power of reviews. Happy customers are your best marketing tool. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on your website or Etsy store. Positive reviews not only boost your credibility, but also help attract new buyers. Setting up automated follow-up emails to remind customers to review their purchase can increase the number of reviews you receive. This builds trust with potential customers, making them more likely to buy from you instead of a competitor. Final thoughts. Starting a 3D printing business in 2024 offers endless opportunities, but success won't happen overnight. With the right product, solid marketing strategies, and attention to detail in both production and customer service, you can build a profitable business that grows over time. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale, there's a place for you in the world of 3D printing. Best of luck, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Thanks for watching. And if you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.